In this video, we will look at how to make PDF links accessible using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Alternative text in PDFs serves an essential accessibility function, providing descriptions for images, links, and other non-text elements, so that people using screen readers can understand the document's content. For PDF links, alternative text helps clarify the purpose of the link, whether it leads to an external website, another section of the document, or downloadable content, ensuring that users with visual impairments can navigate the document effectively. The PDF Universal Accessibility is the ISO standard for making PDFs fully accessible to users with disabilities. It establishes guidelines for creating PDFs that meet accessibility requirements, ensuring that elements like alternative text, structured tagging, and semantic organization are correctly implemented. Compliance with PDF or universal accessibility means that a document contains properly structured headings, lists, and tables for easy navigation. It uses alternative text for images, links, and figures, ensures content is machine readable for assistive technologies, and adopts clear, consistent tagging and metadata. As you can see, there is no alternative text on the PDF links. To add alternative text to the PDF links, first navigate to the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Select Plugins, then click on the Links button. Click Find and Fix Link Error, and then select the Make Links Accessible option. In the Make Links Accessible window, select the desired processing action and click on the OK button to begin processing. As you can see, alternative text descriptions have been set for all links. Optionally, it is possible to customize one or more of the standard text strings that are used for the automatic generation of the alternate text. To do this, click on the menu button again. Click on Plugins, select the Links option, then on the Find and Fix Link Errors button again, and click Make Links Accessible. Enter your custom text into the Custom Text Replacement column. Press OK to save your changes. As you can see, the alternative text is now displayed when the mouse cursor hovers over the link. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.